Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Happy Thanksgiving, USA. Hopefully everyone had a good holiday, good time with family and friends. Sorry I couldn't upload Wednesday or Thursday, and sorry about today's upload. Today is Friday's upload, but it's going to be a short one. I'm in food retail and distribution, so my week has been busy. Next week I'll be back to normal. So you want a good idea? With the leftover turkey or stuffing, make turkey tacos. And with that, you can customize them to whatever is your liking or to your family's liking. I'm just giving you a quick idea today. Hopefully you enjoy Black Friday and the weekend. But in today's recipe, I have turkey that I have left over, herb turkey, onions, regular stuffing, carrots. I got the tacos if I want. I have cornbread stuffing, and I use this turkey gravy mix. You can find these for like $1, and there's the turkey mix. So let's get started. All right, so take your tacos and just start putting in the turkey in there. It's all up to you too. You could actually do this recipe whichever way you want. You could put stuffing first, then the turkey, but as long as you get it all together, that's what matters. So just put that in there. I tell you, it's really hard to do tacos and film it at the same time. They do not stand. I have to get a stand. So like after that, take some of the carrots. Throw a couple pieces of carrots in there. And like I said, whatever I'm doing now, maybe it's not for your liking. Maybe you want to add other stuff. Like other people maybe add cranberry sauce. Like I do not like that, so this is definitely not for me. But this is your cook, and like I always said, this is your meal, your style. Do it the way you want. So then just put stuffing in here. So you could see that one has stuffing. If you want, mix it up. Like how I have stuffing in that one. Sorry, this is not standing. Take the cornbread stuffing and throw that in there. So if you want, mix it up with two different styles of stuffing. So just put that in there, and then we'll put the onions. And I have the gravy already mixed up, nice and hot. All right, so you can see that both tacos have the stuffing in there. The one has cornbread and the one has regular stuffing. Now take the onions and put that in there. So just take your onions and put it in there and fill up both tacos. After that, we'll just pour on the gravy and then you're set. This is where you can take your leftovers from Thanksgiving and make other tasty meals, because we all love tacos. So why not combine tacos and Thanksgiving? All right, Facebook and YouTube are back. So both tacos have turkey in there, stuffing, carrots, and onions. So you can see how we ripped this apart. And we'll definitely get a taco stand in the future. So now we're going to take our gravy and drizzle that gravy on top. So like I said, you can get these packages for $1 and it makes quick gravy. So there's your turkey tacos. I hope you had a good time with your family and everything. Please subscribe, hit the bell. I bring you 3 to 5 updates a week. Sorry about this week, but it was due to the holiday. Next week I'll be back Monday, and hopefully I will have red clam sauce with linguine. Then the rest of the week hasn't been determined. So thank you. Thanks for being part of my channel. Thanks for taking this journey with me. And thanks for being part of my channel. So there you have it, your turkey tacos. If you want it, you could have put cranberry sauce, or you can top it with cheese. This is your recipe. You do what you want. So like I said, I will see you Monday. Enjoy Black Friday today. Hopefully you get some good sales. And enjoy the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And I'll see you Monday. God bless. Dansoy out. Batman. Peace.